Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you my gator 10.8V. Oh yeah, and actually guys, I've moved everything around a little bit, as you can see. So yeah. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you it in action now. Oh yeah, also guys, it's actually got low battery, so it'll sound like really like that. And actually guys, it has a clear, I don't think the other skaters at the first releases had a clear dustbin. I don't know guys, if you know that the original release of the skater did have a clear, dustbin. Please comment down below. Oh, and actually guys, how am I gonna do this? Oh yeah. Hang on, I'll pause it a minute. Yeah, so here's where you'd empty the dustbin. Ooh. Thinking of recharging this. So yeah. And there's no red light on there. Probably saying that maybe the back. I mean, it's not glowing, but it's a little like red light bulb thing. Probably to say it's like charging or something. I don't know. Yeah. Kind of looks like a car or kind of like a gun. I think this looks clear, that plastic. I think it's clear. See, it's got the new Vax logo on there. Or the newer Vax logo. So, yeah. Actually, guys, I'll be doing a collection of handheld vacuum cleaners. Not my full collection, but some of my handheld vacuum cleaners. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon, and bye.